Welcome to Kids Edutainment. Please click to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get updates on new videos. Parts of a plant. We see many plants around us. All plants are living things. Like a human beings, plants also have many parts. A plant has many parts. Flower, leaf, stem, bud, fruit, root. Flowers are the pretty parts of the plant. They help make seeds so new plants can grow. Flowers look beautiful. Leaves are the plant's food factories. They use sunlight, water, and air to make food for the plant. Stem helps the plant stand up tall. It carries water and food from the roots to the leaves and flowers. A bud is a tiny part of a plant that can grow into a new leaf, stem, or flower. Fruit holds the seeds of the plant. When the fruit falls or is eaten, the seeds can grow into new plants. Roots grow underground and hold the plant in place. They also drink water and nutrients from the soil to help the plant grow. Let's try again. Leaf, fruit, flower, stem, root. Thanks for watching.